Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you a life hack that I learned to revive your spring rolls. If you're like me, you tend to order with your eyes and not your stomach. These are day-old spring rolls that I had put in the fridge overnight. As you can see here, the wrapping ended up getting hard, which was not edible at all. I'm going to show you what to do to prevent this from happening so you can save yourself some money. You're going to rinse each spring roll under running water, shake off the excess water and place it on a plate. Now take a paper towel and rinse it under water. Make sure the paper towel is fully submerged with water. Now you're going to wrap the spring roll with the paper towel and make sure it's fully covered. Then you're going to microwave the spring roll for 45 seconds. After they're done cooking, they should be ready to eat just like new. Let me know in the comments if you guys have ever tried this hack. I think this is so life-saving for me, and of course it saved me so much money, and I never have to worry about over ordering again. Bye guys!